The Karachi University on Wednesday held a landmark talk on the missing persons of Balochistan. The seminar, however, turned into a protest against the varsity administration, which had declined to allow conducting the event on the subject.
Hundreds gathered at the University of Karachi to listen to the representative of the Voice of Baloch Missing Persons. The seminar, titled Baloch Missing Persons and the Role of State and Society, had Mama Qadir Baloch and Farzana Baloch as the chief guests. Irrespective of many warnings received by the university officials, the organisers went ahead with the crucial talk which highlighted the grave issue of abductions and enforced disappearances in Balochistan. It also paid homage to 40-year-old slain human rights activist Sabeen Mahmood, who was gunned down on 24th April, hours after she hosted a seminar on the issue of rights violations in Balochistan. Asserting the importance of bringing to light the rising tide of kidnappings in the province, Baloch leaders said it was a game plan of Pakistani agencies to wipe out the nationalist movement.
लोग डेली बेसिस पर कोई भी एक इस तरह का वीक नहीं होता कि उसमें कोई लोग डिसअपियर ना हो या कोई मशक़शुदा लाशें ना मिलें, तो ये डेली बेसिस पर हो रहे हैं फ्रॉम 2010 से लेकर अब तक। पहले वो पकड़ते थे, टॉर्चर करते थे, फिर छोड़ देते थे, तो उससे काम नहीं बना, तो अभी लोगों को मार कर और टॉर्चर करके उनकी मशक़शुदा लाशें फेंकना फ्रॉम 2010 until now.
Mama Qadir Baloch reportedly spoke about discrimination and state brutality in the insurgency-hit province, rejecting Pakistan's claims over external involvement there. Rahimdag Bukti, the grandson of Baloch nationalist leader Akbar Bukti, said the restriction on media in Balochistan was the reason behind most of Pakistan's oppressive policies going unreported.
हर साल या हर महीने में कोई ना कोई कहीं से मिसिंग होता है अगर वो ओपनली काम करे। तो इंटरनेशनली जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इंटरनेशनल जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, एनजीओज़ हैं या ह्यूमन राइट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, उनको रिपोर्टिंग करें जो कि डेली बेसिस पर वहाँ पर इंसिडेंट होते हैं, ताकि ये उनसे आगाह हों कि क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि वहाँ पर बलूचिस्तान में कोई मीडिया या इंटरनेशनल मीडिया या एनजीओज़ अलाउ नहीं है कि विज़िट करें। तो हम ये कर रहे हैं, डेली बेसिस पर रिपोर्ट्स दे रहे हैं इनको और हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं।
Baloch activists have time and again accused the Pakistani army of undertaking a kill and dump policy to end the freedom movement. Thousands have been killed and hundreds have been held in illegal detention centres by Pakistan's main intelligence agency, the ISI. According to the Voice of Baloch Missing Persons, Pakistani forces have arrested and over 20,000 Baloch have disappeared since 2001, and more than 4,000 Baloch activists have been target killed by Pakistan military.